Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I want to share another DIY glam. As you see behind me, these are some DIY glam that are really simple, and I really love to create glam from the Dollar Tree that is super affordable and anybody could do it. This is where I hold all of my palettes, and here I just love Paris. I just love that, and it does light up, so I really like that. But on this video I love the fall, and I've already shared some ideas that are glam, others for outdoor. Today I'm gonna share another glam that is super easy to do. I love these pumpkins. I think they're pretty on its own, but I really wanted to glam them up. I add some glitter, I add some Mod Podge right on top to make sure that there's no fallout because they're gonna be in my dining room set. And also I want to talk about this floor vase that I made months ago, but I glammed it up a little bit by just adding some decorations, perfect for the fall. So on this video I'm just going to show you how it looks like, but you guys could want to see more details, you guys could check out that video how I did that floor vase that is very high, and it was just using all the products from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started with this fall decorations. Well, the next DIY I want to share with you guys is from the Dollar Tree, and I was lucky to find these. So if you guys are able to find them, try to grab them before they're no longer available. I found them in one store and I had to go to a few. These are so cute on its own already. They come in different colors. I was able to get 3 of this ivory color. So what I want to do is glam it up. I saw some cute pumpkins in Joann, but they were a little expensive, so I want to kind of recreate some of the pumpkins that I've seen that are very glam. So I'm going to be using some of this bling mesh. I'm going to cut the lines to kind of put them in between where there is a gap. And then on the top, I'm going to paint some acrylic paint and then apply some glitter. So let's see how they turn out. Let's just glam up these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. So here you see all of those blings cut in one line. So what I did was I cut 10 per pumpkin. When I counted, it needs 10. Let's see if they're all the same, but that's the amount that I cut. So I have them ready to go. I'm about to start hot gluing. The Mod Podge I want to add on top of the glitter. It's something that I like to do to seal the glitter. That way you don't see any fallout, especially when I'm going to have these in my dining table. So that's something that I always like to do. So let's go ahead and get started applying the hot glue for on each slit or each indent in the pumpkin. So this is how they originally look like. They look really cute. But this is how they look like after step 1. I did use exactly 10 of those bling, and it was really easy to apply. Just take your time when you apply the glue, because some of them you can't see too much the indent. So just take your time when you do that. And then what I do is I hold it from the top and then hold it from the bottom and press in case some of them the fabric on top is kind of like bumpy. So right there, it helps create more that indent feel. So I really like how this looks like already. So the next step will be finishing off the rest of the pumpkins, and then we're going to start with the glitter. I just can't wait to see how this looks like after that. So here they are all finished. They look so cute. So now with the acrylic paint, this is a metallic paint that I love to use. I got this at Michael's. So what I'm doing is painting the top of the pumpkin. You can see a big difference already. So I'm painting it this color so it could be easier for me to apply the glitter paint, the glitter in silver. And then I'm gonna make sure that with the Mod Podge, it kind of goes around a little bit of the glitter around. And then I'm gonna continue finishing painting the pumpkins with this. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially around the borders. It's okay if it's a little bit off because you're going to be applying glitter anyway. So this is pretty easy to do. And I really like how they're coming together. So go ahead and continue painting it. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the glitter. So let's go ahead and apply the Mod Podge right on top. And then we apply it all around as well. So then we could apply the glitter, the silver glitter. Leave it how it is. You don't even have to apply glitter. But I really wanted to go for that look. I really like how they look like when I saw them at Joann. They look so cute. And I know they will really impact and give it that glam look at the dinner table or wherever you apply these pumpkins in. They're gonna look so glam. So this is how it is. You want to make sure that it's covered, and then I'm going to apply the glitter. I'm going to have to do that off camera because I'm holding the camera. So this is ready to go, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks like after I apply the silver glitter. Here are two different versions completed. This one is exactly what I did at the beginning. I applied the Mod Podge all throughout the top and around it, and then I applied the silver glitter right on top. Then once I let that dry, I apply Mod Podge right on top, only on the border part, and then I apply a different color of glitter, which is this one right here. And that's why this one looks so much different. It's still drying out. The good thing is that you guys get to choose if you want it all one color. Maybe you don't even need to put glitter at all because it does look nice even without it. So it's up to you how you wanted to see it. Here you could even get creative, use or maybe an orange color, a different color right here on the bottom part, and then have that color silver. There's so many ways you guys can make it work. So I'm just showing you two different ways. I'm still trying to decide which way I'm gonna go, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna let them set and then continue with the other two. So I decided to keep it all one color, and I continue adding more glitter, a little bit, almost 1/4 of the pumpkin, and I really love how they look. Just know that if you do add Mod Podge, you have to let it set, and it's not gonna have that big wow effect of glitter, but it's not coming through in the camera. It does sparkle. I really like how it looks like, and I love how they look like on the dining room set, on the dining room table. These are plates that I got from Home Goods. I love them. I love anything that has a little bit of sparkle. So guys, I really love how this came out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this DIY. Like I said, you guys could get so creative. Now moving on to the floor vase. This is a DIY idea. This is something that I share with you guys. I'm just going to show you what I added to make it more fall theme. But if you want to create this vase, everything was done from the Dollar Tree. The details how I created this floor vase is going to be below. There is a video I created for that. Today we're going to focus on how to decorate it. I don't know if you guys are like me, we're limited on space, but this is why I love anything that has mirrors or glam, because it does make the space so much brighter and bigger. And I really love creating ideas from the Dollar Tree that are so affordable. So here I'm going to go over quickly some items that I just added from the Dollar Tree to decorate this this vase. So this vase, it does have 12 mirrors, and I purchased foam board, and you just go ahead and measure. You remove the frames itself, and you just keep the mirror. In between, I added some bling mesh, and then on the border I added some crushed glass. I really love how this came out, and it was pretty easy to do. But now I had some cute pink flowers on top, so I removed them, and I added this wicker that I had previously that I just used to decorate my house. I just thought that let's just add it there for height, but you guys could just purchase items maybe from the Dollar Tree, or even from Joann is where I really love to get those items to get that height. And then the flowers, these 3 flowers I purchased during the springtime and summertime from Joann. They were on clearance, so I took advantage of that. They were on special. And then the other light color flowers, I got those from the Dollar Tree. So you guys could get very creative. Dollar Tree has so many great flowers. You guys could make a bigger bouquet just to add on top. One tip that I do like from this vase, because it's so tall, I filled it up with every bag that I have. So anytime that I get bags from the grocery store, or even from the pharmacy, or any place that we have gone to, that's the spot that I always add those bags, and it helps hold the flowers together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this DIY creative ideas that you guys could do, especially this vase. You could just keep it all around throughout the year, and all you have to do is just change the floral arrangement depending on the seasons if you would like to. And I hope that you also like the glam pumpkins. You could leave them how they are, but I really liked it to get that glam touch. So guys, let me know if you actually created these DIYs. Let me know in the comment section. Truly love to hear your comments, your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.